If you finish faster than you'd like in bed and it's left you feeling ashamed, frustrated, or like something is wrong with you, let me tell you this first. You are not broken and you're definitely not alone. The good news, you can change this naturally. No pills, no numbing creams, no pressure. I'm going to show you why this really happens and what you can do today to start lasting longer and with more confidence. So let's be honest, most men never get the tools to navigate arousal. You're either told to suppress it, distract yourself, or fake it till you make it. Some men even turn to numbing creams. But here's something most men don't know. Back in my 20s, I had a lover who tried using creams once. And it didn't just numb him, it also numbed me. There's no point in lasting longer if your partner isn't going to be feeling more pleasure too. There was no real intimacy, no connection, just performance. And that's the real problem. We're conditioned to perform, never taught how to feel. There are 3 reasons you're likely finishing too fast, and none of them are your fault. First, your nervous system is overstimulated. You've been conditioned by stress, media, and adult content to rush pleasure instead of receive it. Second, you've been taught to disconnect from emotions. From a young age, men are told, don't cry, toughen up, push your way through it. So you learn to live in your head and suppress your emotion and disconnect from your body. But intimacy, real intimacy, starts with presence, not pressure and not performance. 3, you've been trained to perform, not connect. In other areas of your life, if you're just trying to finish fast to complete different tasks and finish as fast as possible, your body follows suit. You're training your body to rush through things. And how we do one thing is how we do everything. But lasting longer requires retraining your body and your subconscious mind. And if you're thinking, I'll work on this when I have a partner, this mindset actually delayed my journey by a decade and my own healing through Tantra. Here's the truth. You become a better lover before you meet your next partner. And when you do, your energy will attract someone who's ready for that deeper experience. Because like attracts like in and out of the bedroom. What I shared today is just the beginning. If you want to go deeper and learn the exact system that I've used to help men last longer, reignite their confidence, and completely transform their love lives and relationships, I created a free training just for you. It's called How to Last Longer, Feel More Powerful, Become the Best Lover. Leave the link in the description and at the end of this video. Go watch that next. You'll thank yourself later. This is part 1 of the Men's Bedroom Confidence series. So if you're ready to stop overthinking it and start transforming it, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 2. Blessings.